Hop into our 2024 Volkswagen Taos Comfortline front-wheel drive and elevate every drive with style, comfort, and undeniable confidence. Whether you're winding through Fredericton streets, gearing up for a lakeside adventure, or tackling your daily to-dos, this SUV is ready to impress. With its sleek design and roomy interior, the Taos delivers versatility that feels a class above. Start your mornings cozy with heated front seats and a dual-zone climate control system made for keeping everyone comfortable, whether it's sunny skies or crisp maritime mornings. The flexible cargo space is perfect for camping gear, groceries, or anything in between. Safety takes the spotlight with blind spot monitoring, rear traffic alert, and a rear-view camera for smooth, stress-free drives. Plus, cutting-edge tech like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the Volkswagen Digital Cockpit keeps you connected on every kilometer. When you buy from Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, you'll drive away with more than just an SUV. Enjoy our 12-month huggable guarantee, a full tank of gas, nitrogen tire program, and even a chance to spin to win gas. Stop by today and experience the huggable difference.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel. We'll give you a hug